kind of underrated here on the YouTube. Let's talk about commodities as an alternative investment to stocks. Many investors view commodities as the riskiest alternative to stocks. That's because they're used as raw materials in the manufacturing of many goods. When demand for those goods is high, so is demand for the commodities that are used to create them. But when demand for those goods is also low, sometimes those commodities can also go lower. But there are certain commodities out there that have inverse relationships to stocks. Gold, silver, copper, and other precious metals are examples of that. As you can imagine, commodities are also very volatile. Commodities can be a great way to diversify your portfolio because, like I just mentioned, some of them have an inverse relationship to stocks. So when stocks go down, they go up. Sometimes when stocks go up, they go down. And sometimes there's no relationship at all, and it's just correlation and not causation. And like I mentioned, some commodities track with the stock market and are an indicator and a canary in the coal mine, as it were, to let you know where the rest of the market will go in the near future. For example, the run-up in the price of lumber, oil, etc., was an indicator that the general economy was about to experience a pretty bad bout of inflation. So if you were invested in those and you saw the prices run up, you would have had an indication that inflation was going to go nuts. And more than likely, the Fed was going to raise rates to tamp down inflation. Raising of rates was going to affect some stocks, or actually a lot of stocks, in a negative way, lowering your returns in the general stock market. So being invested in those kinds of commodities will help you to see possible inflection points in the stock market that you may want to slow down your stock purchases, at least until the worst of the panic is over. So let us know in the comments down below what you're using as your alternative investment vehicle, or even if you have an alternative investment vehicle at all. We're all dying to know. And remember, a goal without a plan is a wish, a goal with a plan and no action is a wish list. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.